Manong My Giona here, and today I'm gonna be watching New Id's Ghost music video. I actually reacted to their first song, ER, pero hindi ko na mahanap kung saan ko nilagay. Hindi ko siya na-edit, tapos hindi ko na alam kung nasa na yung video. Pero hanapin ko, try ko siya hanapin. Pero I've listened to that one. So, ngayon, they have the new one, Ghost music video. So, I'll listen to it. 3, 2, 1, go! English ba to Tagalog?
So I can't deny.
Jam! Sorry.
In my heart, it's one and only Complex. World's changing, so have you. Can explain this feeling. The skies are gray and the ground is opened up and broken down. Who we were is fading now.
English.
No more answers, no more sound. The mirror looks so blurry and forgotten. Now who am I? We're standing face to face, but you don't even see me. A moment's gone to waste. I'm lost in our memories.
It's been so long, man.
Go back, rewind. Maybe then you will tell me why. Stuck you're in the past, hoping for a chance. Yes, I'm invisible. Fading away, not what you need. Nobody knows the pain underneath.
Galing pa rin talaga ng boses. I think I already like this one than the other, the ER. Ah! Napaka-bias. Josh! Natakal lakas. Angas talaga ni Jung. Ito yung isa pang taong ginawa para maging idol. Kasi Tad lang yung naka-white. Does that mean something? Angas. Bumalik sila sa Pinas, right? To perform. Ang haba na ng buhok ni Maki. Ang buhok ni Erin. Oh, wait! Yung puti naka-ano sila. Parang patient gown. Ganda naman ang outfitan nila. Uy! Yeah, I like it so much better than ER. Ganda ng quality, ah. Flip up. Pogi naman ni Josh L. Anong ano niya? L? L ang ano niya, no? Name niya sa group. But I like the Josh. Pero alam ko marami na kasing Josh. So, gets. Grabe, idol na idol. Talaga, itong mga batang to kasi, nung una actually, feeling ko hindi bagay yung kinuha nila na members. Like, they're all very good. Pero feeling ko yung chemistry nung members within this group, parang feeling ko hindi magmamatch ganun yung energy nila. But in this one, actually, well, hindi ko na masyado maalala yung ER. Pero sa music video na to, I feel like they found that, yung bang pagkakapare-pareho nila, or they've matched their chemistry, dahil siguro nagte-training na rin sila, medyo matagal na together, nag-match-match na yung energy nila. Kasi dito, as in, they really look like a group na dito sa song na to. And just seeing the stuff that they release, kasi under MLD rin sila, diba? It seems like MLD is going a different route for New Aid, which is, I think it's good because then they would have a different market as opposed to Horizon. Horizon has this like very youthful, energetic kind of vibe right now. That's the concept that they're going for. Pero New Aid, even yung ER, medyo like mature, they're wearing like suits, right? Dark vibes, even the colors ng music video, it's darker, much darker, heavier yung mga kanta nila. So I think like it's very different. It's probably good na they're not going the same path. Parang hindi sila magkaka-clash masyado kasi iba sila ng market. But yeah, ang ganda ng quality ng music video, in fairness. Like, very polished yung mga effects, yung shots. That was actually like really well made. Na kaya nga sabi ko, idol na talaga sila. Parang, dun sa music video pa lang. Alam mo, nag-debut na ba sila officially? Pero ganun na yung level ng production ng music video nila. So, good job, I guess. But I'm really happy for the members. I've seen them in Dream Maker and I really like them. Especially Jom and Josh L. Sila yung mga picks ko nun with Dre, right? Especially Josh L, actually. Gusto ko talaga siya. Kaya medyo nasad ako nung umalis na siya. Kasi gusto ko kasama niya si Dre sa group. But it's okay! We have Rive then. Like, they have their own group na. And I feel like their energies match each other din naman. So, like, looking at it now, parang napunta rin naman sila sa mga group na dapat nilang puntahan. I think, in my opinion. Pero ganun yung nafe-feel ko na vibes sa kanila. But yeah, I'm so happy for you guys, New Aid. Congratulations. I think they debuted. So, ayun, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. Make us all proud. Good job. Yeah, that's all from me today. Let me know what you thought of the song and the music video down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.